They say every entrepreneur or business owner should always have one eye on their future exit. As their trusted advisor, what are your options for helping your client do this? For your practice, there are some great potential additional revenues at stake. The first step is to have an understanding of your client's current business valuation. This can be found in links in the main dashboard. With Jazoodle, valuation is determined as the higher of either the net asset value or a multiple of EBITDA. You can change the multiple according to your client's business risk and industry. Once you have an understanding of the current value, it's time to start playing with Jazoodle. Create a forecast using your chosen growth or investment scenario using Jazoodle's forecast subplans. All changes you make to the forecast will automatically adjust the forecast business valuation. As an example, for this business, we are increasing revenues by 5% and decreasing expenses by 1%. As with everything Jazoodle, if you make a mistake, either amend the adjustment or delete it and start again. All changes you make, including employment planning and asset planning, will automatically flow through to your future profit and loss and balance sheet. Relevant changes will then change your business value. Also updated is the client's likely company tax liability at financial year end. Adding to the forecast scenario, here we are adding new sales staff. Jazoodle not only increases the wages expenses, but also, if you want this, will assess your client's historical relationship between staff and revenues, or its revenue per employee ratio, and adjust revenues accordingly. If you don't want to increase revenues in this way, then add a high productivity lag in the employment plan. Don't forget that you can also model cash conversion and dividend payments before finalizing your forecast valuation. Jazoodle is great for interactive and dynamic conversations with your client in real time. How realistic is the scenario forecast you've built? Does it need tweaking? Are there any major gaps in your client's business that need fixing, for instance funding gaps or process gaps? Jazoodle makes it incredibly easy to have those really dynamic conversations with your clients. How much value will that add to your services? We've taken a lot of the legwork out of these higher value add services you provide for your client, and it really is as easy as 1, 2, 3.